Hello and welcome to the new SnowEx Renegade poly spreaders. Available in a couple of different sizes, 1,150 litres and 1,680 litres. This is a smaller one of the two, the P150A. New to the SnowEx range, just launched this year. Some great features on this unit which we're just going to walk you through now. You've got the option of either mounting it on a trail chassis or bed mounting it on the back of a van or a truck. Fully moulded design here, so there's no structural steel work involved, so corrosion is non-existent on this bodywork. And you can see moulded hopper lids as well, and we'll just show you how they work. So firstly, you just undo the catch at the back here, which releases your hopper lid, and then there's a neat feature which you can use something like a bit of timber or a snow shovel, something like this, and you just drop it in here, and then it gives you the leverage to lift the hopper lid over, like so, and the same this side too. So looking inside the hopper here, you'll see that it comes with the Helix corkscrew auger, which is a game changer in minimising blockages and clumping. So a quick and easy access into the hopper by removing this clip. So at the rear end of the spreader here, you can see the spinner unit. All the steel here is stainless, so again, corrosion kept to a minimum. And a neat feature down here, see this little tab. So this allows you to offset the spread pattern, so you can move it left and right to change the spread position to an offset spread. The spinner here also has a swing away design, which is really useful for checkup and maintenance. So you just pull this pin, and you just disconnect the plug on this side, then your spinner will swing away for inspection. So on the side of this box here, you'll see a series of buttons, two of which say material feed. If you hold down these two buttons together, this is what we call a dump feature, which is particularly useful when you've come back in from your shift and you might still have some salt left in your tank, which you don't want to store and leave in there overnight. So you can reverse up your salt pile, swing your spinner away, press the material feed buttons, and that will empty the hopper into your salt pile. So controlling these spreaders is done from the cab with a simple in-cab controller, which you can vary your material delivery and your spinner speeds and your vibration, and also accessories like work lights. And at the end of the season, you can demount your spreaders and you can store them on end, so they're nice and compact and don't use too much space in your yard. So if you're interested or want any more information, then do give us a shout, get in touch, and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.